Nice and clean. Hey everybody, Ryan Gromfin here, author, speaker, chef, restaurateur, founder of therestaurantboss.com as well as clickbacon.com and scalemyrestaurant.com. I recently was interviewed by the USA Today, that was super awesome by the way, about how to reopen restaurants safely after COVID, and I want to share with you what I shared with them. So below, please find an article that our team wrote that kind of is the summation of the article that we put into, or that we were part of for the USA Today interview. Oh, and spoiler alert, based on the introduction that we just did there is a very big difference between clean and sanitary. So hopefully you saw that introduction. Hopefully you're looking forward to reading this article. But one of the more interesting things that I found that you're going to find in this article is not just how we clean, but what we clean with. Your guest's perception based on the chemicals you're using, how often you're cleaning, how visible your cleaning is, etc., becomes a very, very important role based on the research we did to getting your restaurant open properly after COVID. I hope you enjoy that article. And remember, systems equal freedom, freedom equals value, and value equals scale. I love every single one of you crazy restaurant people, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Are you struggling to grow your restaurant business? Are you failing to find the time to do all the things you need to do because you're stuck doing everybody else's jobs? This sucks. I know. I've been there. You're not alone. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be is a plan and some new tools. And that is why I created Scale. It's my newest course for restaurant owners who want to grow their businesses and build an extraordinary brand. Learn more at scalemyrestaurant.com. I hope you enjoyed this week's training video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, would you go ahead and smash the like button right up there so you can get notified every week when we release a new free training video. I've also gone ahead and put a couple of videos for you here and here that I think you're going to enjoy. Remember, systems create freedom. Freedom creates value, and value creates scale. Manage systems, develop people, and be awesome.